In recent times, Google Gemini dominating the AI world. So let's discuss more deep into Google Gemini. Here I am using a simple prompt list out a top 10 features of large language models. Enter. So these features will apply for all the large language models, not only Google Gemini. Just I asked a simple prompt, list out a top 10 features of large language models. Google Gemini generating the content. Here, it's generated the top 10 features of large language models. The first one is advanced contextual understanding. So it's generated with an image. This is called multi-model capability. It can able to generate text, image, video, audio. The first one is advanced contextual understanding, in context learning, multi-modality. So that means it can generate text, image, audio, and a video, code generation and debugging, reasoning, chain of thought, retrieval augmented generation, RAG, tool use and function calling, multilingual and cross-lingual translation, summarization and information extraction, fine-tuning and customizability. So these all are the top 10 features of the large language models. Not only the Gemini, all large language models have these capabilities, like vision capabilities. These all are the features of the large language models. See, when you generate something from these large language models, here you can able to give a feedback like a good response or bad response. You can copy the content from here. Few more options here. You can able to export the content to the document. You can able to draft in Gmail as well by using these options. Same like you can attach or you can upload a file by using upload files. Even by using add from drive, you can do that in Google Gemini. Google Photos also, you can upload it into Google Gemini. Here, these all are the options for Google Gemini. See, here, the one more important thing in the Google Gemini is deep research. By using a deep research option, Google Gemini research through the websites and generate content. Let me check the deep research option in Google Gemini, which is most powerful. Here in the tools option, select deep research. When you select a deep research, here we have two options like sources and files. Here in the sources, you can select like a search or a Gmail or Google Drive or chat. If you want to select any one of these, you can select to deep research among any one of these. Here, default selection is a search. And also, if you want to attach any files to combine the content with generating content, you can do by attaching the files. Just simply, you can ask something with the deep research. Research 100 or more than 100 websites, and it will generate the final content. Not only generating, it will provide the links according to the research. Let me ask to generate a blog post of a Messi India tour. Just enter, go through deep research from the web. It will generate content for a blog post. Not only generating content, it will provide the links where it has done the content. So just it is asking to start a research. Just click start research. Not only generated the content, it's generated with links. Here, let's see the links as well. Here, see, by using all these links, it's generated a blog post. Now you can share this blog post into your social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, X, Reddit. Even you can copy the link as well. Not only that, you can export to documents as well. See, simply by clicking export to documents, I will export this blog post into the documents. Here, simply it's exported to the documents. Same like here in the create option, for this blog post, even you can generate a web page, infographic, quiz, flashcards, audio overview. So you can generate these all things for this specific blog post. For example, here now I want to generate a infographic for this blog post. Just click on infographic. Simply, it is generating a infographic for this blog post. So because of these all features, Google Gemini dominating all the AI models, all the large language models recent times. So this is the infographic for the blog post. Simply it's generated an infographic for the blog post. Not only that, you see, even you can share this infographic with a share option. You can see the code here. This is the preview. Not only infographic, even you can generate web page also. Let's see those all things one by one.